Okay, so on our nuclear chemistry project, you picked a topic yesterday, okay? And if you need a reminder of what topic you picked, I have them written down, okay? Levi, if you go down here to nuclear chemistry project topics and click on that, it gives you a list of topics to choose from, and you tell me which one you want to do, and I'll tell you if it's still available. Okay, the rest of you guys already picked your topic yesterday. Okay, so for this nuclear chemistry project, you will conduct research about your nuclear topic and prepare a Google Slides presentation. Okay, so this is going to happen on Google Slides. You'll go back to this assignment to submit it. All right, now let me tell you what your presentation must include. Okay, a title that contains both the nuclear chemistry topic and your name. For example, Pop Culture and Nuclear Chemistry by Coach Seeger. Okay, so if your topic is about 3 Mile Island, it could say 3 Mile Island by Coach Seeger. Okay, that would be the first slide. All right, and then content. So this is going to be all you, basically. I'm not going to tell you that you have to have 18 slides. I'm not going to tell you that you only have to have 3 slides. Okay, all that I need you to do is answer what your topic asks you. Okay, and however many slides that takes you to do, that's what you're going to do. Okay, so you kind of have free reign on this. There's not a maximum that you have to meet. There's not a minimum you have to meet. What you have to meet is what is written in your topic. Okay? Answer the questions posed in your chosen nuclear chemistry topic. Content that goes above and beyond by explaining concepts and building on basic facts will earn the accomplished grade. While if you just simply recite basic facts, you won't get as good of a grade. Okay, so if you go above and beyond and kind of make it interesting, you'll get more points. You have to have at least 2 pieces of additional media. Okay, at least 2. So that can be a picture, some sort of graphic. Maybe you have a video that you want to put in there. Okay, you have to have at least 2 types of media in your Google Slides. Layout and text. Okay, so I don't want you to copy and paste a paragraph and just leave it like that on the slide. Okay? What I need you to do is, 1, don't copy and paste because that's plagiarism. 2, whenever you're putting information on a slide, make it visually appealing. Does that make sense? Okay, so like on my agenda slide that I show you guys, I have different sections going on. I don't just have like paragraphs for you to read, right? Because that would be boring. And you don't like to look at slides that are boring, right? I don't want to grade a boring slideshow. Okay? So what I need you to do is change up the fonts a little bit. Okay? Change up the color of them. Make your title of that slide a different color and bigger. Okay? Use bullet points, right? I don't want to read paragraphs of information. Okay? That should also make it easier on you, all right? Because you don't have to sit there and type out paragraphs. And then sources. Okay? So you need at least 3 sources. Okay? Wikipedia is not a source. If you go to Wikipedia and it leads you to a different site, that's fine. Okay, but Wikipedia is not an allowable source. Neither is Google.com. Okay? So, this I've highlighted in red. This got me through college. Okay? Because in college, they are very specific about how you cite things. So it says, try using bibme.org or easybib.org to help you cite your sources correctly. So what this does is if you go to these websites, say that you have a tab pulled up with a bunch of information about 3 Mile Island. Okay? I'm going to copy and paste that URL into easybib.org or bibme.org, and it's basically going to make a site for me. Okay, and then I can copy and paste that into the last slide of my Google Slides presentation. Okay, whenever you get to that step, if you need help, let me know. Okay, okay, so say that I wanted to cite this YouTube video. Okay, so let me open up easybib.org. Maybe. Enter. Sweet, okay. My internet just not want to work. Okay, we're going to go bibme.org and see if that helps. Sweet. Okay, I only want to create citations. You can do MLA. That's fine with me. So what I'm going to do is on website, it's going to let me put in the URL. So I can go and I'm going to copy this. It's loading. Okay, then after it loads, it's going to give me an MLA format for that source. And then I just copy and paste that into my Google Slides. Okay, so you have to have 3 of those sources. Okay, at least 3 of those sources, and that can be your very last slide. Okay? Can everybody see the rubric at the bottom, or is that just a teacher thing? Y'all can't see the rubric? Okay, I'll have to post it in a second. I'll post a link to the rubric in just a second, but let me show you what you're getting points on. So it's going to be a total of 40 points. Okay, you're going to get 2 points if your title is how it needs to be, nuclear topic and author's name. Okay, the majority of your points are going to come from your content. So the content has accurate and useful information. The theme or main idea of the page is clear and related to the purpose or theme of the project. Okay, so your content is good and engaging and correct. Okay, layout and text elements. So 6 points. The font is easy to read. And point size varies appropriately for headings and text, use of bullets, italics, bold. Okay, so that's talking about you're not just doing paragraphs on each slide. Media, you get 6 points if you have at least 2 different media forms. Okay, a picture, a video, a graphic. It can be 2 pictures, you just have to have 2. And then writing mechanics, so I'm going to grade you on did you capitalize where you're supposed to, things like that. Okay, I'm obviously not going to grade too hard because I'm not an English teacher. But I also don't want you to put, spell out the word you with just the letter U, right? Please spell out Y-O-U. Okay, things like that. Don't text me. I need a presentation, not a text. Sources are going to get 6 points, and then if you submitted it on time, you get 4 points to make your total of 40 points. Okay, I'll post that rubric later so that you can see it. So, get started on that for me today. We're not going to do that video. Okay, go ahead and get started. This is due on Friday. If you don't remember what topic you chose, let me know. Okay, to get to those topics, that's going to be right here, nuclear chemistry project topics. Yes?
You can see it, I just didn't see it.
Oh, you can see the rubric if you keep scrolling down?
I don't.
You have to click a button.
Oh, okay. I'll post it anyways just to make it easier. Levi, have you selected a topic?
This one.
I hope nobody else has it